Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change site title and tagline in WordPress. At your dashboard, we have some options at the left. We are going to go to settings in here, and you should be at the general settings page. Once you're here at the top, you should be able to see the site title and tagline space. You can just type your site title in here. For example, I'm going to type this in. And for the tagline, you explain what your site is about, something like that. And once you have entered your site title and tagline, you can then scroll down to the very bottom and click on Save Changes right here. And it should say Settings Saved. And another way to do this is to click on your site title at the top left and click on Visit Site. Once you're here, click on Customize at the top left. And from the options at the left, you can click on Site Identity. And you should also be able to enter your site title and tagline in here and just save your changes to have it reflected on your website. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.